Hello everybody, and welcome to this video on Windows Live Movie Maker. I'm Michael O'Grady. You'll be seeing me shortly because I've made a few clips of myself. I made basically clicked here, went to my webcam and made some clips like this. Obviously I would record and then stop, and I've made 4. So we'll just cancel out of that. What I need to do is add the pictures and video that I've already created. It's a good idea to make everything before you start, unless of course you're doing some live video recording through the webcam. I'm going to add a title, and we're going to put some credits on, and then we're going to add some animation effects between the clips. Very, very simple. It's going to take us less than 5 minutes, although it will take longer because I'm explaining it and muddling through. Okay, so let's add our videos and pictures. I've got 1, 2, 3 intro in that order, then outro. I've even got a version I made before, which I don't want because I was messing around too much. I'm more rehearsed now, although I do suspect that things will go wrong. But we'll bury those into the finished video. I've got a couple of pictures, so let's just get all of these, select them all and go to open, and then they end up coming in. So this picture here, I will just drop down to here. No, it doesn't seem to want to go. Why is it not going? It's because move 6 items, so that's interesting. How can I deselect? Press escape and now do it. Well, that's very strange, it wasn't happening before. Move, there, that's interesting. I wonder why that happened. So that's going to be my final one. I'm going to have some credits. These pictures are obviously not 4:3, so it was taken in my large monitor, which is widescreen format. So this is 16:9 ratio, and I'm going to export the finished version to this ratio. Unfortunately, the webcam is taking all 4:3, 4 wide, 3 high. We'll export to high definition anyway. And it's going to take quite a while to compress because of the size. So what I want to do at the beginning is add a title. Michael O'Grady talks. Michael O'Grady talks stuff and nonsense. Okay. So the duration that this is going to last is 7 seconds. So you can make it more, less, whatever. Let's just make it 5 seconds. And I want the transition from here to here to have an effect. So let me just have a look at. Okay, so that looks interesting, maybe not appropriate. The next one, I want to transition between the end of this and the start of this. So let's do this interlacing. This one, let's just see if there are any more. What does this do?
It's obviously very
that goes black and fuzzy.
It's obviously very important.
That goes white. This goes
It's
pixelated.
obviously very important. It's obviously very important.
So we'll go with that one. Then we'll go with a different one. And of course the transitions are happening in real time through the keyhole. Then we'll have one here. So you can see it's very simple. Oh, that looks interesting.
And then we'll stop.
That looks very interesting. This, let's have a look. That, and then we need some credits at the end. So go back here to where the title credits were, and going to have, oh, did I miss that? Let's just go back, delete that, go to credits, credits, director, star and location, etc. So different pages. For each one of these, it will add a new page which will have its own duration. Okay, so it's starting at 118 seconds, going to last 5 seconds. Let's just put equals bad actor. Let's just make this a bit wider. Look ready, bad actor. Let's go back to another one. Credits. Oops, I did it again. Come back to here. Credits. Director. Directed by. So let's just see what happens as these roll by. You can just move the timeline as you wish. So these automatically roll up without any transitions. Okay, so that's fine. I'm happy with that. What I'm going to do over here somewhere, is put a caption. I can't remember what is being said here, but let's have a look at caption. Bad actor. Okay, so I can move this around. I've got 10. Yep, that looks good. The text duration, let's just keep it for 7 seconds. These are the, yes, I think that one. Yep, that's good. So, finished. So what we're going to do now then is save the movie. Although I've got black edges at the side because my format of my assets went in 16:9 high definition, I am going on YouTube for high definition so people can expand it to the full screen and see it in glorious colour and glorious width. Call it Windows Live. Might do another one. So this is Windows Live Movie Maker 1, and I'll put it in the same folder where all my assets came from. And this is where it takes about 7 or 8 minutes. So I'll just pause the movie and come back when it's finished. Okay, that took between 6 and 7 minutes. It's because it's a large screen area that it's got to compress. Let's just have a little play. Might be coming up on my other screen. Oh no, there it is. Came up on my other screen last time. Michael Grady talks stuff and nonsense. Well, look at that. Not a capital G.
Okay, so hello, Michael.
So one of the things we've sussed here is that the quality in high definition is a little bit grainy. In fact, it's very grainy. I'm going to have to sort out better quality content here. But I've got to compress this movie yet in Camtasia. Okay, so let's just stop that, and then I've got to compress this movie. What we're going to do next is upload this to YouTube. We'll do that in a second movie. Okay, bye bye.